Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this new Panasonic headphones. The model is here RB-M500B. So it's showing here XBS deep, so it has something to do with the extra bass system deep. So mighty bass. So you can see the side of the box. So more information here, like pre-edge driver, then base reflector, then also side pressure dispersion technology for comfortable fit. So it comes with the charging cable, so a USB type C, and the audio cable. Okay, so this is a Bluetooth headphone as well. So you can use a Bluetooth at the same time you can connect with the audio cable. Okay, so I'll open this now so you can see what's inside. It's still sealed, so with the tape here. Just cut this one. Okay. Open this. It's really tight. This part. Okay. Now it's open. Pull this out. Okay, so nothing here. Then inside comes with the really thick like owner's manual, so probably different languages, that's why a lot of manuals here. Then here the headphone. So first I will show you, it comes with the USB charger cable type C, and this one is the audio cable, 3.5 millimeters. Okay, and here is the headphone. Yeah, okay, check this out. So it's really soft material, this one as well. Okay, then this can rotate, this at the like 90 degrees, and this one's like around 30 degrees. Okay, yeah, then can open, very soft. And at the bottom here's the charging port for the USB. Then there's like a volume control, probably plus or minus. Then the Bluetooth LED. Then this one also, this one is plus minus for the forward and reverse, something for the music. Then this is a power on. Okay, I'll try to power on. I don't know if this one is charged, but I'll try to power on. So it's looking for Bluetooth pairing. Now you see it's changing red, blinking red and blue. I'll try to pair with the phone. Okay, I try to pair with the phone. Yeah. So it's looking at here. So I have to see. So where is that? Here, the RB-500B. So just select that one. So it's already pairing. So Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Okay. So that's it. So it's already connected, so it's very easy to connect. Okay, so I'll try this one later on, then I will tell you if the sound is quite good or not, but probably it will be a very good sound with a big bass. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.